So I was here today to honestly share with you all my thoughts and review on the LA Colors Radiant Skin Nourishing Longwear Liquid Makeup that looks like this right here. Looks like that right there. The video isn't going to happen as far as me giving you my feedback on how radiant they are, or how the formula is, or how, if it, you know, whatever the review would have been about, because the shades that I received, none of them matched my skin tone. It didn't work for me, and the darkest color that they had would have been where is it, would have been the Mocha that looks like this right here. And I thought this would have worked for me, but as I keep saying in this video, it certainly didn't. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish rolling the part where I did tried to give the makeup a try. So if you want to hear more about my thoughts, and especially my first impressions about this, just keep on watching this footage. So the three colors are Mocha, Ginger, and Chestnut that I'm going to be trying out. I don't know which one is my actual color, and I'm kind of nervous, you know, but I've been hearing great things about this foundation, but I'm beginning to see on my own if it's what I've been hearing. So this one is Mocha. Let's see if Mocha is my color. A little bit. I don't know if you can get that. Can you get that? I don't know. So far, I don't think so. I don't think Mocha is going to be it. The next color is Ginger. No. Mocha and Ginger. Ginger is definitely no. Ginger is definitely no. And the last one, which I already know is not going to work for me, which is Chestnut. I must say, I've been repping LA Colors for years on my channel on the quality of a cosmetic line. I mean, they can seriously rival designer brand quality at a fraction of its cost, and the pump is taking forever to get out. I'm assuming because it's brand new. And this color is going to be Chestnut. Let me see. Oh, it didn't even make no sense me finishing that, but look at that. None of these are really my color, dolls, so I'm very disappointed. I mean, if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know I always rep LA Colors, so I'm not going to discredit LA Colors because the colors didn't match my skin tone. Okay, yeah, they could have stood to do better for, you know, women of color, but I'm not going to fully discredit the brand overall, just based upon them not having a colored foundation for me, because their cosmetic line super exceeds my expectations every time. And not to mention, they eyeshadows are insanely pigmented, and you're getting them at a fraction of the designer brand or high-end brand cost of the other eyeshadows. So yeah, but I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to review these for you because none of them is my color, as you're seeing. And maybe to you on camera it might look like I can go with this one, but me looking in this mirror right here, I can totally see, oh hell no, that's not gonna work. So dolls, that was it though. That was my thoughts when it came to the Radiant liquid foundation. As I said in the video, I'm not going to throw LA Colors to the side. I'm not going to throw them completely under the bus and be like, oh, they're a bad brand, I don't never want to deal with them again. I'm not going to do that, because you know LA Colors quality of their cosmetics is too great for me just to discredit them based upon this right here. I mean, when it comes to their eyeshadows and everything, they the bomb at that. Just after a liquid foundation, it didn't work for me. But on that note, that just concluded the video. Thank you for checking in to even watch this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official glam doll community. And don't forget, we still gotta stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts with Fab Beauty on a Budget Finds. So I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.